Hello guys, it's teacher Yolanda here, ready for session 7. And for this session we're going to use the student's book, the workbook and our English notebook. Please go and get them. Today we're going to be practicing some more with the topic we started learning yesterday. Do you remember what topic it was? Yes, it was first conditional. So let's open our student's book at page 95. At page 95 we have this robot. It says, listen to the advert and color the buttons. Pay attention, we're going to need colors red, green, orange and blue. Okay? I think it's orange, or maybe it's like a dark yellow. Whatever, it doesn't matter. We're going to listen to the audio, and I'm sure that in the audio we will get the correct answers. Where are you going to color this? You're going to color it over here. Yes, these are the buttons you have to color. Please do it.
Student's Book, page 95. 1. Listen to the advert. Colour the buttons.
Hello, I'm Robix, and I'm the world's best robot. I'm not expensive, and I'm so cool I can do lots of things for you. If you're thirsty, I'll make you a nice cup of hot chocolate. Just press the green button. If your room is in a mess, I'll tidy up. Press the orange button. If you want to have fun, I'll sing you a song. Press the blue button. If you're tired, I'll do your homework. Press the red button. If you buy me, you'll be very happy. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Okay, so again, remember, if you need to listen again to the audio, you just have to rewind the video a little bit. In exercise 2, it says, listen and say the sentences. So again, please, I want you to repeat the sentences. Even if you're at home, please do it.
Book, page 95. 2. Listen and say the sentences.
If you're thirsty, the robot will make you a nice cup of hot chocolate. If you're tired, it'll do your homework. If you're bored, it'll sing you a song.
Let's pay attention to the pronunciation of these things. I want you to please pronounce the contraction. It's if you're tired, it'll, pay attention, it'll, yes, it'll do your homework. If you're bored, it'll sing you a song. So, if we pay attention to this, look at it. We can still analyze what we learned yesterday. This is the first conditional. The first part of our first conditional is the verb in present. What is this verb in present? This one is are. The second part, the consequence, needs will, so pay attention. If you're thirsty, the robot will make you a nice cup. In the second example, if you're tired, again are, it'll do your homework. It will do. It'll do. If you're bored, again, the verb to be in present, it'll sing you a song. So, let's practice some more in the workbook. Let's open our workbooks at the same page. It's page 95 of the workbook. At page 95, it says the first exercise, look and match. Again, we have our letters here. And we have our sentences. We have to match the conditions, which are here, and the consequences, which are over here. Pay attention, all of these are in present and all of these are with future will. You may say, but teacher, can is present. Yes, it is present because the past of can is could, so this one is in present. If you can't do your maths homework, number 2. If the bus is late, number 3. If music club finishes late, number 4. If you want to go swimming, number 5. If you want to go out in the rain, number 6. If you want to learn to play the guitar, 7. If you want to plant a tree, and 8. If you want to be an astronaut. Now, the letters are: I'll take you to the swimming pool, I'll get an umbrella, I'll show you, I'll wait for you, I'll dig a hole in the garden, I'll take you to school in the car, I build you a rocket, I'll help you. This one is the example, so pay attention. If you can do your maths homework, H, I'll help you. Can you see? Number 1 is with letter H. So, number 1, this letter. Continue doing it. Don't get confused. The answer is not A with an H. That's not possible. It's number 1 with letter H. Please pause the video so we can answer these and check it together in a moment. Ready? So these should be our answers. Let's check them. If the bus is late, I'll take you to school in the car. 3. If music club finishes late, I'll wait for you. 4. If you want to go swimming, I'll take you to the swimming pool. 5. If you want to go out in the rain, I'll get an umbrella. 6. If you want to learn to play the guitar, I'll show you. 7. If you want to plant a tree, I'll dig a hole in the garden. 8. If you want to be an astronaut, I'll build you a rocket. Okay, so these are our words and letters that we have to match. Now, moving on to exercise 2, we have to complete the consequence of this condition using will and one of the verbs here in the box. Please do it so we can check it. So, our answers should be something like this. Let's check them. Please remember to correct in case you have any mistakes. If you're scared of monsters, I'll fight them. If you lose your pen, I'll find it for you. Who's talking? The robot's talking, okay? If you're bored, I play with you. If your bike is broken, I'll repair it for you. If you don't know a word in English, I'll look it up for you. Remember that look up means buscar. That's why when you have sentences to look up for homework, I write look up for a sentence online so you can find the word in its correct usage. Next, it says, if your room is messy, I'll tidy it for you. Remember, tidy is alzar, ordenar. If you want to go camping, I'll put up the tent. Put up the tent. Yes. Pondré la casa de campaña o armaré la casa de campaña. If your school bag is very heavy, I'll carry it for you. Okay, carry, cargar. Remember that if you have any questions later on in our Zoom session, please ask the question. If necessary, put a mark on it or something like that so we can talk about it later. Now, let's move to the next exercise. In the next exercise, it says, read the poem and then write your own. You have to take this one for an example. It says, if you're sad, I'll sing a song for you. If you're angry, I'll make you smile. If you're scared, I hold you in my arms. And if you're happy, I'll laugh with you. you have to offer some help. Remember that future will is often used for offering help. So you're going to offer for help using will, like if you are the robot or a good friend. And the problem that your friends have are the following. If you're sad, what do you offer to do? If you're angry, if you're scared, and if you're happy. So you're going to complete with a sentence with future will. Okay? And maybe later on in our Zoom conversation, we may share some of them. Last but not least, remember that I gave you a PDF file with some extra activities for practicing further this topic and also for clarifying any doubts that should rise when we solve these exercises. And well, please do it, work, and I'll see you in a short bit, okay? See you in some kids. Bye.